Welcome to my honest review of QuickBooks Self-Employed, a financial management tool designed specifically for freelancers, contractors, and small business owners. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this app, from its core features to its overall user experience. We'll start with the basics. QuickBooks Self-Employed is a cloud-based software that helps users track income and expenses, estimate and pay quarterly taxes, and even manage invoices. For freelancers, it's a game changer because it automates a lot of the tedious bookkeeping tasks, giving you more time to focus on your work. One of the standout features is the ability to separate personal and business expenses. This is crucial for self-employed individuals, who often mix these two. You can link your bank accounts and credit cards directly to the app, and QuickBooks will automatically categorize your transactions. You can also manually edit categories to ensure accuracy for tax deductions. Tax management is another area where QuickBooks shines. The app estimates your quarterly taxes based on your income and expenses, helping you avoid surprises during tax season. It even offers a feature to calculate potential tax deductions, such as mileage for business trips. This is especially useful for freelancers who may not have a dedicated accountant. The invoicing feature is simple yet effective. You can quickly create and send professional invoices, track when they've been due or paid, and send reminders to clients if needed. This ensures you're always on top of your cash flow. Another great feature is the built-in mileage tracker. It uses GPS to automatically log your trips and categorize them as business or personal. This is a lifesaver for anyone who frequently drives for work and wants to maximize their tax deductions. Let's talk about the user interface. QuickBooks Self-Employed is designed to be intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your financial health, including income, expenses, and tax obligations. You can also generate detailed reports to get a deeper understanding of your finances. However, it's not all perfect. Some users find the mobile app a bit glitchy, especially when syncing bank transactions. Additionally, the subscription costs may feel steep for those just starting out. It's essential to weigh these drawbacks against the time and effort you'll save in managing your finances. Overall, QuickBooks Self-Employed is a robust tool that simplifies financial management for freelancers and small business owners. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing invoices, or preparing for tax season, this app has you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and tips on personal finance tools. See you in the next video.